Okay guys, nandito na kami. We arrived safe and sound. Sabit muna natin yung bag dyan. Okay. Okay. Uy, ang ganda ng room namin. Room tour ka na kayo. Mabilisan lang to. So we have kitchen here. Yun yung door namin. We have a washroom there. And then, pagharap mo, nandito yung living room. And we have our own kitchen. I like the kitchen. And we have countertop. Ayan, meron din kaming oven. Kompleto siya. Ang ganda. I like the room. Oh my gosh. Meron kaming sariling fridge. And then, nandito namin ilalagay yung ano namin, mga jacket. Ayan. So, this one is a sofa bed or dito matutulog yung dalawang kids. Meron din kaming mini dining room. Yan. And then of course, meron kaming fireplace and meron kaming balcony doon. Lalabas pa ba ako? Yeah, ito yung balcony. Paano ba ito buksan? Yan, ito yung ano namin guys, view namin sa labas. Andun yung mountain. Ayun, hindi nyo kita eh. Yan yung balcony namin. And then, punta naman tayo sa bathroom. Yan yung dalawang kids. Oh, pagod sila. Meron pala silang ano dito. May towel kaming extra dito. May sabon. Pasok muna tayo sa bathroom. So, ito yung bathroom. Yan. Hello! And ito yung shower. Meron siyang shower doon. Sliding door yung kanyang pinto. Hindi siya curtain. And then, dito, yan, pag binuksan mo to, connected ito sa aming bedroom. Ayan. So, yan yung aming bedroom. Teka, doon tayo mag-umpisa sa labas. May salamin din dito. Okay, let's go here. Yan, dito yung salas. Ito yung bedroom namin. Here's our bedroom. And may kasama siyang bathtub. Yan, doon yung washroom. Yung sabi ko sa kanina magkadugtong. And then dito kami. There you go. Oops, that's it. I think we're gonna enjoy the room. Ngayon tatanggalin namin. Itatabi naman natin ngayon yung aming mga gamit. Andun yung gamit namin. The fitness and the public pool, guys. Animals not permitted. Yeah. Fitness area. Oh, nice! Yeah. Right? It should be slowly? Yes. Slowly. We can use this one, ate, oh. Because he cannot. Look at nice. Erika, we're gonna use this one tomorrow. There's no dumbbell, honey. Ate, you have to do it slowly, ah. Daddy said you don't need to bump it. Yeah, try. Here we have a treadmill here too. So this is the fitness area. So there's an access over there outside. There's an access from outside. I wanna try that. Sa pool naman tayo guys. Tingnan naman natin ang pool. Keep walking. Sabi nila meron daw eh. Or yung nasa labas lang. Hello guys. Ito yung aming first relaxation here sa panorama. Hi ate. Nag-ano kami. Hot tub po kami. Diyan yung hotel namin. Diyan kami naka-check-in guys. Yung building na yan. And then, si ate nagre-relax na siya sa hot tub or hot pool. Yes, naglalaro siya eh. Hi, are you enjoying ate? Nice. Ang ganda. Sarap guys, sarap. Usok-usok pa. Hi ate. Hi you enjoying ba? Are you enjoying?
So hot.
So hot. Of course, it's hot po.
Hello. Hi everybody. Ang sarap. Come and join me. Oh my goodness.
When the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see are all made of gold, when your dreams are failing, the ones we hail are the worst of all, and the bloods run stale. I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come.